What's going on, 223 family? 223. Back today with another video. Today's video is really like, I'm not gonna say a vlog, but then again, I could say a vlog, but it's not really a vlog. It's basically like for all the people like who be asking me, Bucky, what's your carry? Like what you carry in your car? We know you carry the 43 in your as your everyday carry, your concealed carry. But what do you carry like as your secondary? My secondary is this right here. Y'all can't really see it because I got a jacket on it. You can't open carry in Florida. Everybody knows that. So I'm walking to my car now to get in the car just so I don't get in trouble. Okay, some people they'll call the police, be like, oh, I see someone blemishing a firearm, and you feel me? You don't want those problems. You feel me? So just do it the smart way. Like, see how I got the jacket? I got the jacket on it. That's considered concealed. Nobody can see it. So I'm not showing a weapon. So nobody can like call the police and be like, oh, he has a weapon on his chest. He's carrying an AR. Look like a short barrel AR. Cause some people don't even know what they be talking about. Look like he's carrying an AR, a high capacity gun, and look like he's gonna go and do something. But then it's not even that. They don't even know I'm a YouTuber, and I just do YouTube videos about guns. I'm not trying to harm anyone. I'm not trying to go and shoot up no school or anything like that. But back to the fact of the video. Throw that jacket back there. I just cleaned out my car, by the way, too. My car is like spotless right now. So this is my, y'all know this stuff. Oh, cut that off so YouTube don't try to take down my video. But this is my car carry. It's my AR pistol. I got the cookie cutter muzzle brake on top of there. Y'all see that? Got the Hollison green dot. I got that right. This right here is hard because I'm left hand, so it works perfectly. That I can use my left hand and chamber and wrap the slide and stuff like that. So that actually works out good for me. I just put a little 223 sticker on there. I've been thinking about getting this gun I've been thinking about getting the gun what it is. I've been thinking about getting the gun kind of paint. I've been thinking of doing a custom job to it, like doing a whole paint job and have like 223 on it. Take it to the gun, have them do it. But I've been thinking I might do it with a whole nother gun. Because if you see my last video, I said I want my muzzles to fit, like, to not come out. You get what I'm saying? So I want a frame that goes a little longer so that when I put a muzzle on it, the muzzle fits right into the frame. So I'm gonna get a gun like that. I'm gonna get a gun with a frame like that. They're everywhere. I go to every gun show and I always see them. So it's not hard to like not get. But that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do with that. That's what I'm gonna do with that. And I'm gonna end up getting that painted and changed and like doing it that way. But yeah, but basically this is my car carry. This is the gun I carry in my car, plus my everyday carry. This is what I carry every day. No matter where I go, I got that. I can go to church. I can literally go to church and I got that, bro. So like I carry that every single day, like every day. So this is my car carry though. So for y'all who be asking what's your car carry, and I'm gonna be switching my car carry out. I'm gonna be switching this out to probably like my CZ Scorpion or my Chris Vector. Most likely the CZ Scorpion because it's smaller. It's not that big. I can use that as a backpack gun, or I can use it as a backpack gun. Have it in my car when I'm getting out of my car to go on like the mall or something. I can use it inside. I can use it as my backpack gun. I can put it in the backpack, carry it in the mall. Nobody would never know I have a CZ Scorpion in there because it's so small and it can fit in my backpack like I'm going to school. You feel me? So I can't put this in my backpack. It's too big. So I'll probably switch. I already know I'm gonna be switching out my car carry because I want more. I want more. I can do more. When I get out the car, I can't really get out the car with it unless like if I go to my neighborhood, yeah, I'm getting out the car with it because a lot goes on in my neighborhood. So I would get out the car with it just in case I need it because I know my pistol only carries eight rounds. But my pistol carry 8 rounds, but my AR this carry 50. I got a drum mag on there. This carry 50, so that's why I would, I take this out of the car with me. You know what I'm saying? But my CZ Scorpion, I'm getting a drum mag for that, and that carry 50. So, I'm gonna switch to that Scorpion. I've been thinking about it a lot. Been doing a lot of thinking. I'm gonna switch to the Scorpion, and I'm gonna probably buy a little short. Somebody told me get a sling for your Scorpion. It looks way better when you put it over your chest and it just sticking to your body. And like, somebody told me to do that, but I'm not really sure because it's so small. Like, I wouldn't want a sling on that, but I don't know. I'm gonna probably do some research, probably look at a couple videos of how a sling look, a 2-point sling looks with a Scorpion, because I'm not a big fan of 1-point slings. I hate them. I think those things meant to just keep hitting you in your, you know, in your little things down there. But the 2-point slings, it just sticks to your body. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I end up putting this on here. That's why I end up putting the 2-point sling on him, because I don't like 1-point slings. I tried it and I hate it, and I just can't do it. So yeah, this is my car gun. You know, my cookie cutter. Everybody loves this gun on my YouTube channel. To be honest, I don't know why. I love it, but it's like my #1, but I don't even know why they love it. I think they love it because the cookie cutter and they see me shoot it and what it does, but nobody actually told me like why they love the gun. You get what I'm saying? Like, nobody actually told me like why they love the gun so much. So that's about it for this video. I mean, if you like my car carry, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and make sure you turn on notification bells. And y'all know that's it. 223 gang, we are out. Peace.